Diaphragmatic breathing from a hip hinge position. Standing straight up, you're going to take a couple breaths before you start to get that 360 degrees of expansion. Then you're going to push your hips back into this hip hinge position, and then you're simply just going to do your abdominal breathing from this position. Your breathing pattern will be very similar to breathing pattern 2, as you'll hold a brace since now you're in a loaded position, but you just want to continuously breathe and expand 360 degrees around your abdomen.